Hi everyone, let's make a flat white with Rwanda beans, which came from East Africa. So we have this nice roasted coffee beans from grandmother. It's based on Dubai. So let's try it. So first unplug the water filter and release some water. Turn off it and make sure scale are 0. So by the way, we are already filled it up with the Rwanda beans from that grinder. So our dose is gonna be today 19 grams. Exactly 19 grams. So distribute it nicely. So tamp, then perfect. And also make sure release some more again and just clean the drip tray nicely. Okay, then we are good to go. So plug it and we are already calibrate the machine. So channel number 1. So watch out how it look like gonna be. See, wow. There you go. So let's steam the milk. By the way, release the steam a bit. There you go. So let's steam it nicely. Okay. There you go. Repeat it again to make sure clean the steam one. See how it is. See how it looks like the crema. Whoa. It's really golden brown. Perfecto. So let's try with the grandmother coffee beans, which came from Rwanda. Let's taste that.